Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this Kevin Murphy Shimmer Shine gave me just the results I was looking for. I am loving the shine that I get from this spray, whether I'm doing my hair straight or I'm curling it. I really feel like I just left the salon because the look and the feel of my hair is just so shiny and soft. And I enjoy the scent of it as well. It's not overwhelming at all. And this is just so super quick and easy to use. You just shake the bottle to mix everything up and simply spray it directly on my hair after I've styled it. And that's it. And then I get the shine and the softness that I want. I am just enjoying the results I get from this Kevin Murphy Shimmer Shine. I am so pleased with the results, and I love having this in my beauty toolbox. And that's my point of view.